Hey guys, this is Christina with Candid. I hope this message finds you safe, healthy, and well. I know there's a lot of uncertainty that's going on right now, but we are still buying houses. We buy houses in cash, and we really think that that's actually a solution that a lot of people are going to be needing right now, whereas opposed to putting your house on the MLS, there's just a lot of uncertainty. So if you know you do need to sell, we are still buying. Obviously, we're changing our approach so that we're ensuring everyone's safety, so we can, if you have a house that you want to sell, sending us pictures is going to be the best way to get a quick offer right now. If it's imperative that we go into the house and see it, then obviously, we'll practice social distancing and limit contact to as few as people as possible. But we are acclimating, we're still doing business. So if you need to sell a house, please reach out and we'll see how we can help. All right, thanks and God bless.